Amazon Fire Max 11, the best budget tablet of 2025? Tired of slow tablets and high prices? Get ready for a game changer that delivers premium features without breaking the bank. This sleek aluminum design is incredibly durable, with strengthened glass that's 3x tougher than the iPad 10.9-inch. All this, starting at just $174.99. It's an amazing deal for tech enthusiasts and budget shoppers alike. Experience a vivid 11-inch display with 2.4 million pixels. Every movie and game comes to life in stunning detail. It's also certified for low blue light, easy on your eyes. Under the hood, a powerful octa-core processor and 4GB RAM ensure max performance. Enjoy fast streaming, responsive gaming, and seamless multitasking with Wi-Fi 6. With an incredible 14-hour battery life, your entertainment never stops. Read, browse, watch, or listen all day long. Store your favorites with 64GB, expandable up to 1TB. Need to get work done? Add the optional keyboard case and stylus for productivity. The 8MP camera is perfect for clear video calls with friends and family. Ready to upgrade your digital life? Click the link in our bio to grab your Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet today. Don't miss out on this incredible blend of performance, versatility, and value. Link in description.